Hi guys, I thought to share this thing with you because I'm trying to log in with my user ID and password, but I can't. Because I just received the email from the Home Office that your sponsor license has been approved, the decision has been given, and I got the level 1 user account information. So they provided me this password. Now, if you are struggling, so I thought to share this journey with you. I'm not a solicitor, I'm not anyone. I'm just sharing my journey that how I have done. So this is not like a guidance or anything. So let me show you. So this is the user ID which was provided after applying for the sponsor license. So you have to log in from that email. So in the decision letter, they have provided me this user ID, and this password is provided in the separate email regarding the level 1 user. So you will use this and you will log in. SMS has encountered an error. Please report this. Login start. So what I'll take a screenshot. So this is what you need to do as well. Next, what I'll refresh the page, continue, and I'll try to log in again. There you go. This time it says that I've successfully managed to log in. So at the moment I'll click not now, or I'll just update the password which I want to select, and I'll save it. And I'll put the new password. I'll go back on my email and I'll copy this password and I'll put this password. So this password is the one which I received in the email. This is the new password which I'm creating first time. So every time whenever you want to log in first time, you need to log in with the new user ID which was emailed you in the decision letter. Don't do this mistake. Everyone do this mistake and they can't log in. They keep asking that I can't log in with the Home Office, etc. So this is the first time I have logged in. So I can show you the messages. I have the SMS messages. I have like these messages. So on 7th of November, they have sent this message: for the attention of all sponsor license increase to priority fees license change circumstances from 11th November. Wow. The fees considering an application sponsor license will increase to £750, and the fees for the considering of change of circumstances will increase to £350. This increase will apply to both services from 11th November. Okay, so the price is going up. Okay, that makes sense. Now, if you wanted to see your license summary, click on your license summary. You will go down. You will be able to see how many skilled license you have. So limit is 1, assigned to date is 0, remaining. So we requested only 1. So we have 1 over here. So I hope this video helped you. This video is just to guide you how I have done it. I'm not guiding you or advising you or giving you any instructions. I'm just showing how I have logged in first time with the sponsorship management system. Hope this video has helped you, and I have created loads of videos on my channel. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe, and you can give like and thumbs up. Take care.